The business of importing tech gadgets for resale in Kenya has become one of the most attractive opportunities for young entrepreneurs, online sellers, students, and small business owners. Over the past few years, many Kenyans have discovered that they can buy gadgets at low prices from international suppliers and resell them locally for good profits. The rise of online shopping, mobile money payments, social media marketing, and smartphone usage has made this business easier than ever before. A person can now start a small gadget business with less than 20,000 Kenyan shillings and slowly grow it into a stable source of income. Technology products are among the fastest-moving products in Kenya because people use them every day. Smartphones, smartwatches, wireless earbuds, Bluetooth speakers, gaming accessories, laptop accessories, and portable electronics continue to attract buyers across the country. Students need affordable gadgets for learning. Content creators need lighting kits, microphones, and tripods. Business owners need power banks, printers, and accessories for work. Young people are also influenced by trends on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. This constant demand creates a huge opportunity for importers who understand what products Kenyans want most. One of the biggest reasons why this business has grown quickly is the convenience of M-Pesa. Years ago, many people avoided importing products because international payments were complicated. Today, M-Pesa has simplified the process through virtual Visa cards and international payment services. A person sitting in Kisumu, Nyamira, Nairobi, Mombasa, Eldoret, or Nakuru can order products online, pay using M-Pesa, and receive goods in Kenya within a few weeks. This has removed many barriers that previously prevented ordinary Kenyans from joining the import business. Before starting, it is important to understand what makes a gadget profitable. A good gadget should solve a problem, look attractive, have strong demand, and be affordable to ship. Products that are small and lightweight usually have lower shipping costs. Wireless earbuds, smartwatches, phone chargers, phone holders, and mini Bluetooth speakers are examples of products that are easy to import and profitable to sell. Heavy products may increase shipping expenses and reduce profit margins, especially for beginners with limited capital. Many successful Kenyan gadget sellers started with only a few items. Some started by importing 2 or 3 smartwatches, then reinvested profits to buy more stock. Others started with phone accessories because they are cheaper and easier to sell. The key is to start small, learn how the market works, understand customer preferences, and gradually expand the business. Trying to import too much stock in the beginning can be risky because some products may not sell as expected. The most common websites used for importing gadgets are AliExpress, Alibaba, Banggood, and other international marketplaces. AliExpress is usually the best option for beginners because it allows people to buy small quantities at affordable prices. The platform has thousands of sellers offering gadgets of different qualities and prices. A beginner can order 1 smartwatch, 1 speaker, or 1 pair of earbuds without pressure to buy in bulk. This helps new business owners test products before investing more money. Alibaba is more suitable for people who want to buy products in larger quantities. Many manufacturers and wholesalers use Alibaba to sell products directly to businesses around the world. Prices on Alibaba can be lower than AliExpress, especially for bulk orders. However, minimum order quantities are usually higher. Some suppliers may require buyers to order at least 10 pieces, 50 pieces, or even hundreds of pieces. Beginners should be careful when using Alibaba because some suppliers may not be trustworthy. It is always wise to check ratings, reviews, supplier verification, and communication quality before making payments. When choosing a supplier, several factors should be considered carefully. Product reviews are very important because they show the experiences of previous buyers. A gadget with many positive reviews is usually safer to purchase. Product photos and videos uploaded by buyers can also help a person know whether the product matches the seller's description. Communication is another important factor. Good suppliers respond quickly to questions and provide clear information about shipping, warranties, and product specifications. One common mistake beginners make is choosing the cheapest product without considering quality. Extremely cheap gadgets may disappoint customers and damage business reputation. A person who sells poor quality products may struggle to get repeat customers. In Kenya, word of mouth spreads quickly, especially through WhatsApp groups and social media. Selling quality products increases trust and encourages referrals from satisfied customers. Paying for products through M-Pesa has become easier due to virtual card services. Many Kenyan importers now use M-Pesa Global Pay virtual Visa cards to make payments on international websites. The process is simple. A person creates a virtual card, funds it using M-Pesa balance, and then uses the card details during checkout on websites like AliExpress. The amount is deducted from M-Pesa after conversion into foreign currency. Exchange rates should always be checked carefully before making payments. Currency fluctuations can affect profits, especially when importing regularly. It is also important to consider transaction charges and conversion fees. A product that appears cheap at first may become expensive after adding payment charges, shipping costs, and taxes. Shipping is one of the most important parts of the importation business. A beginner should understand how different shipping methods work before placing orders. AliExpress standard shipping is one of the most popular choices because it balances affordability and reliability. Packages are usually tracked and delivered within a few weeks. Express shipping companies like DHL and Aramex are faster but more expensive. They are better for urgent deliveries or high-value products. Freight forwarders are also becoming popular among Kenyan importers. These companies help consolidate products from different suppliers and ship them together to Kenya. Freight forwarders may reduce shipping costs, especially for people importing larger quantities. Some forwarders also help with customs clearance and local delivery. However, beginners should research carefully before choosing a freight forwarding company because not all companies are reliable. Delivery times vary depending on the shipping method, seller location, customs clearance, and seasonal demand. During busy shopping seasons such as November and December, delays are common because of high global order volumes. Importers should communicate honestly with customers regarding delivery timelines to avoid misunderstandings. Taxes and import duties are another area that beginners must understand clearly. Kenya Revenue Authority applies different taxes depending on the type of product being imported. Some gadgets may attract import duty, value-added tax, import declaration fees, and railway development levy charges. Importers who ignore taxes may end up making losses. Understanding total landed cost is very important before setting selling prices. For example, a person may buy wireless earbuds for 1,500 Kenyan shillings and pay 400 Kenyan shillings for shipping. Import costs and taxes may add another 300 Kenyan shillings. The final total cost becomes 2,200 Kenyan shillings. If the product is sold at 3,500 Kenyan shillings, the profit becomes 1,300 Kenyan shillings before marketing and delivery expenses. This example shows why careful calculations are necessary. Market research plays a major role in determining success. Importing random products without understanding demand can lead to losses. Successful sellers study trends before ordering stock. TikTok has become one of the biggest influences on gadget trends in Kenya. Products that go viral on TikTok often experience sudden demand increases. Ring lights, mini printers, magnetic phone holders, portable projectors, and gaming accessories became popular partly because of social media exposure. Google Trends is another useful tool for market research. It allows people to see what Kenyans are searching for online. If searches for wireless microphones or smartwatches are increasing, this may indicate rising demand. Watching technology YouTube channels can also help identify upcoming gadget trends before they become saturated in Kenya. After importing products, the next step is marketing and selling. Social media platforms are powerful tools for gadget sellers because they allow direct communication with buyers. Facebook Marketplace is especially popular because many Kenyans search there for affordable electronics. A seller can post product photos, prices, and contact details to attract local buyers. WhatsApp Business is also useful because it allows sellers to create product catalogs and communicate directly with customers. TikTok has changed how products are marketed in Kenya. Short videos demonstrating gadgets can attract thousands of views within hours. A person selling a mini projector, smartwatch, or Bluetooth speaker can create simple demonstration videos showing how the product works. Good lighting, clear sound, and creative presentation can increase customer interest significantly. Instagram works well for sellers targeting premium customers. A clean and professional Instagram page with attractive product photos can build strong brand identity. Customers often trust sellers who appear professional online. Consistency in posting content, responding to messages quickly, and maintaining honesty with customers can help build long-term success. Customer service is extremely important in the gadget business. Electronics sometimes develop issues, and customers may need guidance on how to use products. Sellers who respond politely and solve customer problems are more likely to receive referrals and repeat purchases. Building trust can be more valuable than making quick profits. Many beginners fear competition because there are already many gadget sellers in Kenya. However, competition should not discourage new entrepreneurs. There is still room for creative and trustworthy sellers who understand customer needs. Instead of copying what everyone else is selling, a person can focus on unique or trending products with lower competition. Branding can also make a huge difference. Packaging products professionally, printing receipts, using branded delivery bags, and creating a memorable business name can increase customer confidence. Some Kenyan sellers even create simple websites and online stores to look more professional and attract wider audiences. One advantage of the gadget business is scalability. A person can begin as a small reseller and later grow into a wholesale supplier. Some sellers eventually open physical shops, partner with influencers, or start importing directly from manufacturers in large quantities. Others create online gadget stores that serve customers nationwide. However, challenges also exist in this business. Delayed shipping can frustrate customers. Some suppliers may send defective products. Exchange rate fluctuations can affect profits. Market saturation may reduce prices for certain gadgets. Scammers also exist both online and locally. Importers should therefore remain cautious and continuously learn from experience. Patience is important because success does not happen overnight. Some products may sell quickly, while others may remain in stock longer than expected. Learning customer behavior takes time. Entrepreneurs who stay consistent, improve marketing skills, and maintain good customer service usually perform better over the long term. Young people in Kenya are increasingly looking for flexible income opportunities because formal employment is becoming harder to secure. Importing gadgets provides an opportunity to earn income independently without needing huge startup capital. Students can operate the business while studying. Employees can run it as a side hustle. Social media creators can combine gadget sales with content creation to increase visibility. The future of gadget importation in Kenya remains promising because technology continues becoming part of everyday life. More people are using smartphones, online learning platforms, mobile banking, digital entertainment, and remote work tools. This creates ongoing demand for affordable electronic devices and accessories. Anyone planning to start this business should focus on learning first before investing heavily. Understanding shipping, supplier selection, taxes, customer service, marketing, and pricing can reduce costly mistakes. Starting with small test orders allows beginners to gain experience without taking major financial risks. Discipline with money is also very important. Some new sellers spend profits on personal expenses instead of reinvesting in stock. Consistent reinvestment helps businesses grow faster. Even small profits can eventually build a strong and sustainable gadget business if managed wisely. Importing gadgets through M-Pesa has transformed opportunities for many Kenyan entrepreneurs. What once seemed difficult and expensive is now accessible to ordinary people across the country. With proper planning, patience, smart product selection, and consistent marketing, a person can build a profitable business selling high-demand tech gadgets in Kenya.